We're here for the fourth measurement of the year here at the Phillips Station Snow Course, which is our most critical measurement, which is our April snow survey. The survey today recorded a snow depth of 126.5 inches and a snow water content of 54 inches. That results in 221% of the April 1 average here at this location. In comparison, our statewide automated snow sensor network is currently reporting 237% of average to date. There have only been 3 other years where our April snowpack has been greater than 200% of average in April. As of right now, it's looking like this year's statewide snowpack will probably most likely be either the first or second biggest snowpack on record dating back to 1950. Really, we use all of that for, snowmelt forecasting. How much water are we going to have later on in the spring and summer when it's actually needed? Because during those hot, dry summer months, that's when the demand really picks up for the water. And we're lucky enough to have this frozen reservoir and the snowpack eventually melt during those times when we need it the most. So when we don't have this snowpack, that starts to be a lot of trouble for us.
We're very, very fortunate to be sitting at just over 100% of average in our major reservoirs across the state. The real challenge as we move into spring and summer, though, is flooding, significant flooding, particularly in the Tulare Lake Basin. The department is very focused on the entire Central Valley, including the Sacramento Valley, but certainly very focused on some of the challenges that communities in the Tulare Lake Basin will experience this year.
We're currently forecasting record-breaking spring snowmelt in the Tulare Lake region, which is ranging anywhere between 265% of average in the Kings River watershed, upwards to an absurdly high 422% of average for a snowmelt runoff for the Kern River watershed.
It is truly an extraordinary moment, but we don't get to stop and enjoy that for too long. We are absolutely very focused on public safety and flood protection. There's a lot of work we need to do over the course of the spring and summer together to make sure that people stay safe.